All right, friends and family, here's the deal. You already know what's up. You've likely already heard. Jonny Guarco is about to run a marathon, 26.2 miles. And while that is a extremely difficult feat, it becomes a little bit harder after the age of 60. My man, Jonny Guarco is about to run a marathon. Now here's where it gets better. Why would someone who has such an extremely packed life do a marathon, train for a marathon, spend that much time and energy and effort? Well, he's doing it for a charity. Here at Real Life Trading, our mission is to enrich lives. We do that by pouring into as many individuals as possible. Jonny Guarco is running for feedthechildren.org. It's a charity that I personally support every single week. And what is more touching and enriching than pouring into a young child who might need food and assistance to eat and thus to live and to sustain life? So I will be donating $100 for every mile that Jonny Guarco runs, and I want you to do the exact same. Put in the amount of money that you're willing to offer to Jonny in his conquest of this 26.2 mile marathon, and let's donate to an incredible cause through the Real Life Foundation. You guys ready? All right, awesome. You're incredible. Thanks for being such a rock star.